Hello my dear students, hope you are doing well. Today I am going to take up one problem on elasticity of demand. On this concept we are going to find out the elasticity of demand. Now here we have a problem. The problem is the demand for apples in a small town was 200 kg when the price was rupees 20 per kg. So this was a demand at price 20 rupees per kg. It expanded to 250 kg when the price was reduced to rupees 18 per kg. So when the price was reduced, demand expanded from 200 to 250 kg per 250 per kg. 250 kg. What is the elasticity of demand for apples in the town? So what we have to find out? We have to find out the elasticity of demand. So let us find it out. Now we know, first of all, when Q1, when price was when price was how much? 20 rupees. When price was 20 rupees, the demand was how much? The demand was 200 rupees. When the price was 20 per kg, demand was 200 rupees, so 200 kgs. When the price was reduced to 18, that is when price reduced from 20 rupees per kg to 18 rupees, that is P2 is equal to how much now? 18, and demand, that is Q2, increased to, it expanded to 250 kg. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out elasticity of demand, that is EP. This we are going to find out. How do we find it out? We have a formula for this. Elasticity of demand or price elasticity of demand is equal to Q2 minus Q1 divided by Q1 into P1 divided by P2 minus P1. This is the formula, right? So we'll write it down here. This is the formula: Q2 minus Q1 divided by Q1 into P1 divided by P2 minus P1. So we are going to write down here the values. We are writing down like this: EP is equal to we are going to substitute all these values here now. So we have here 250 minus 200 divided by 200 into 20 divided by 18 minus 20. We are going to get the values here like this. It is 250 minus 200 is 50 divided by 200. Then we have 20 divided by 18 minus 20 is minus 2. 50 divided by 200 is 1 divided by 4 into 20 divided by minus 2 is minus 10. Fine. Now EP is equal to 1 divided by 4 is 0.25 into minus 10, and hence how much we are going to get? We are going to get EP is equal to minus 2.5. This is the price elasticity of demand. We'll go to the next problem now. Now we have the second problem here. In the following demand schedule, calculate the elasticity of demand with rupees 4 as the initial price. This rupees 4 we have to take as the initial price. We have on the left hand side we have quantity demanded in units, it is 15. When the price was reduced from 4 to 3, when the price was 4, demand was 12. When it was reduced to 3, demand increased to 15 units. When the price was increased to 5, demand reduced to 9 units. Right, now we have to find out what the price elasticity of demand. We'll say when price P1 was how much? 4. P1 was 4. What is the quantity there? Q1 was how much? Q1 was 12. Q1 was 12. Now when price was reduced to 3 units, when price P2 is equal to 3, what is the Q1, the Q2 then? Q2 is equal to 15. Fine. Now we are going to substitute these values in the formula and find out price elasticity here. The formula that we have here is EP is equal to Q2 minus Q1 divided by Q1 into P1 divided by P2 minus P1. We are going to place these values in this formula and get price elasticity here. Now if we place the values, we have 15 minus 12 divided by 12 into 4 divided by 3 minus 4. Now we are going to get 15 minus 12 is 3 divided by 12, and then we have 4 divided by 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 3 divided by 12 is 1 divided by 4 into 4 divided by minus 1. Now 4 and 4 will get cancelled. We are going to get EP how much? EP will be then EP is equal to minus 1. EP is equal to minus 1. This is the answer. Now we are going to the next one, that is when the price increases from 4 to 5 and demand increases from 12 to decreases from 12 to 9. Now in this case, when the price is 4 rupees, the quantity demanded is 12 units, and when it increases to 5 rupees, the quantity reduces to 9 units. Now we have to find out EP, that's price elasticity of demand, right? For calculation of price elasticity, we have the formula here, Q2 minus Q1 divided by Q1 into P1 divided by P2 minus P1. Now we are going to place all these values here and then find out EP, and hence we can get here 9 minus 12 divided by 12 into 4 divided by 5 minus 4. Now 9 minus 12 is minus 3 divided by 12 into 4 divided by 5 minus 4 is 1, right? And now we have here minus 3 divided by 12. Minus 3 divided by 12 is how much? Minus 1 by 4 into 4 divided by 1, and hence we are going to get this EP value how much? EP is equal to minus 1. So in both the cases we have negative price elasticity of demand. Thank you so much for watching this video.